Go. So today is the 2nd January 2022. How does it get any better than that? And how does it feel, guys? All the best juniors and all the DJCCs about what this year is going to be and what the last year was, and will it be better there or worse than, or what, all the points of views and all the fears and all the doubts and all the judgments that you, limitations that you have been creating, rather than choosing in every now moment what else is possible. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online shorts, boys and beyond. So today the topic is perceive, no, be, receive versus lower harmonics. Those are feelings, thoughts, emotions, sex, and no sex. Sex and no sex actually is about receiving. So everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online shorts, boys and beyond. So guys, anybody, anything has to say about about this year, about last year? Yes, Manisha, you were saying something?
Good morning, I said.
Good morning. Good, a very good morning. Very, very good morning.
I had a question, can I ask?
Please do, please do.
अभी पता चला है कि मैं वॉक के लिए जाती हूँ, ट्रीज बीज रहते हैं, मैं बोलती हूँ आई पुल द एनर्जी फ्रॉम दिस ट्री, आई कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मनी इनटू माय बैंक अकाउंट. तो मेरे मन में ही एक क्वेश्चन है कि ये एनर्जी पुल करने से इस ट्री की एनर्जी कम हो जाती है, क्या होता है ये?
आपकी एनर्जी पुल करने से क्या आपकी एनर्जी कम हो जाती है?
नहीं, इसका पता नहीं है, इसीलिए पूछ रही हूँ.
अभी पूछ रही हूँ मैं. बताओ, आपको सब पता है, आप ये तो कह ही नहीं सकते एक्सेस में.
यस, आई डोंट नो, ये नहीं कह सकते.
सो क्लोज योर आईज एंड आस्क योरसेल्फ, does my energy diminish by gifting it to others?
No.
So let's do an exercise, all of you. Pull energy from me. Pull as much as you want. Just keep pulling.
From you?
Tsunami energy from me.
Oh, yes, I will.
Pull just now, everybody, just do it. Pull energy as much as you can. Whatever energy, good, bad, and the ugly. Just keep pulling. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Tsunami energy, all that you can. By just saying it, you don't have to do anything. Just sit there calmly and just say, pull energy from Kamal. More, more, more. Go beyond your imagination also. How much energy can you pull from me? How much? More. You know, you are energizing me more and more because there is the whole universe behind me who is feeding me with what you are asking me for. Haven't you heard, when you're grateful, you get more things to be grateful for?
Yes.
When you're happy, you get more happiness. When you're sad, depressed, you get more of that because universe has no point of view.
Yes.
Okay, so now I now pull energy from who wants to experience this?
Me.
Okay, so guys, please pull energy from Manisha. Everybody here is present or just their names are? Hello? Are you all present here or just your names are?
Yes, yes.
Well,
Present.
I just
Present,
wanted to
present.
share.
Okay, Sagri, go ahead.
Yeah,
Present.
I just want to share that I had this sense that you were being flooded with energy as we were all pulling from you.
Yes.
Much more
same.
than you had before. Yeah.
Exactly. I could receive that. I could feel, my God, my body, each molecule is dancing, and I'm like,
Yeah.
oh my God.
When I sensed that, the minute you said and we started doing it, it was amazing the shift in you, I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So would Manisha wants to experience that. So let's gift her sometimes in these oh my God moments where you feel like you have, oh my God, found something that you were looking for, huge leap from the past, from the self-imposed walls of limitations. So let's give Manisha this experience. Let's pull energy from her as much as we can. Manisha, become present with yourself and all your barriers down, just sitting on the chair, receiving, wherever it's coming from, wherever it's going. Just be present with that. Oh, come on, more. Come on, pull more energy from her. How much? Drain her out. More. Manisha, get present with what you're feeling. Welcome it. Even if any thought comes, somebody's pulling something from me, just lower those thoughts, those barriers. Okay, guys, how are you feeling, Manisha?
I'm feeling very nice. ये मेरी पेट में ऐसा पीठ है ना, बैक, उधर ऐसा कुछ ऐसा लगा, बैक बोन रहता है ना पूरा, उधर ऐसा कुछ लगा, मुझे इरिटेशन हुआ, बाकी कुछ नहीं. I'm feeling very light.
Was it an irritation or was it abundance coming through from the back?
हाँ,
When I say it, is it light? Don't go into your head.
Yes, it is light. It is light.
Yeah, how often do we link a pain with what else is possible? Anything that's coming towards us which is new, we give it a name, pain. How often do we link them together as if they're one and the same thing? No, it's an invention. Pain is an invention. It's an intensity. We give any intensity name of pain. What if we are creating that and we are aware of that and we can choose it or not according to what works for us? What if we never made that relevant? It will diminish. It will gift us what it has come for and then go away.
Thank you.
Thank you for asking. Guys, you can do this at home. You can experience this with your family, with your children, and then come and let us know what it is. How did you feel? Awesome. Thank you for that question, Manisha.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, thoughts, feeling, emotions. versus sex or no sex versus perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving? Do you perceive, know, be, and receive, or you always go into thought, feeling, and emotions and not receiving and receiving? Then you're functioning from 10%. Would an infinite being function from 10%? And what is available to you is 99%. And you will choose 1 to 10. Why? What makes you choose less than who you truly be? Every moment you are in access, your awareness is increasing, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And you come to know that nothing is mine. I'm just picking up. Look around. How many people function here from emotions, thoughts, and feelings? Are they even yours? None of it is yours. It's what you are aware of. And the problem is, most of us keep trying to make our feelings important. And everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, backward, on a short, boys. And what if feeling you don't feel? What if you sense? Everything you sense doesn't have to be yours. So anyone has any questions about thoughts, feeling, and emotions versus perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving? An infinite being perceives, knows, bees, and receives. A finite being, this reality being, does thoughts, feelings, and emotions, and no receiving and receiving. You keep defending this reality as if that's the only choice you have. What do? You try to defend that there is something right or something wrong about everything that you come across. I'm not saying get out of this reality, guys. I'm saying just choose something different. Create your own reality. Can you please mute yourself, Manish?
Sure, ma'am. Good morning.
Can you switch off your TV when you ask a question, please?
Ma'am, I have no question
There
in my
was
mind
a
right
noise.
now.
Sorry, maybe some from somewhere else. Okay, what do you want to ask?
Yes, no, ma'am.
Is there any
I
question?
am feeling
Manish?
good.
Is there any question?
No, ma'am, right now.
So then mute
No.
yourself, please. Then
Okay,
mute yourself.
thank you.
Thank you. So, any questions before we go forward? Nobody has any questions? We are done. Bye-bye. Beginning of the year, you have no questions? We have 364 days left. And if we don't play with the questions, then we are living in the same reality and defending the same reality. It's about creating a reality that works for us, where you're choosing beyond this reality. You cannot do that unless you perceive, know, be, and receive as the totality of you. So, are you willing to be totally you, or are you willing to be just a little bit of you? Oh, I can just have just little bit and I'll be fine. I don't want more. I don't want abundance. I don't want to go beyond. I just want little bit of money, little bit of peace. Okay. Are we practicing being quiet?
No, no.
So,
Nobody's.
anybody has any questions? What physical actualization of being the totally you that you are you choosing? Are you now capable of generating, creating, and instituting? Everything that doesn't allow that to show up times a godzillion, will you be willing to destroy and unkill it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, on a short, boys and beyonds. So are we being ourselves, or are being what this reality wants us to be? Where's my Usha? Jazz. There's some people who ask questions, there's some don't. Angela, come on.
Can I ask a question?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. So it's not a question actually, it's a statement. So I do experience a lot of resistance when there is a change. So what can be done there?
You tell me. What makes you resist it? You ask for it and then resist it. Have you been asking for change?
Yeah, a lot.
Then why would you ask for change if you would resist it?
So what I get is that whenever there is a change, there's a fear, I would say, of being different from people, not fitting in. Something shows and I develop cold feet.
So what's wrong with that?
Maybe not acknowledging my own truth and just being with the people, like, you know, the fear of being different from people, the fear
Isn't it ironical? Interesting question. Thank you. Isn't it ironical? We keep asking for change and then we are fearful of change.
Yes, it is. Truly.
So would you like to poke and pod that?
Yeah, big time. Yes.
And poke and pod would help only if you choose it. If you keep poking and podding and choosing the same thing, it's not going to change. So can you give me an example where you are looking for change? Okay, where change comes and you don't like it.
Yeah, so I was asking for a bigger house, you know, and as I already discussed, we got a house in Gurgaon, and now I have developed cold feet. I want to go from this place because being associated with this place since I was born, you know, in this locality of Delhi. So it's really giving me jitters that I'll move from this place. The bonding.
So is it giving you jitters, or you're defining something, or you are aware of something that you're not willing to look at?
Yeah, I am aware of a few things. Yes.
What moving would entail what all?
A lot of space would be created, of course. Yes. It will snap off a few things which were not working for me. But yeah, they were creating a lot of drama in my life. And new beginnings, of course. Yes. So these are the things.
So these beautiful things versus what? That I have grown in this place, that I have. So what is it?
Basically, my brother lives just next door, and that is the main reason I don't want to leave the place.
You want to leave or you want to stay?
I want to stay.
Because of him, you want to stay there. So you will give up, cut off parts and pieces of you You will give up a better, a greater opportunity or possibility for that one thing. So that is so important to you. How important is it to you?
It is important. I have been, so there's a lot of fight going. I daily tell myself that if he gets a chance to move, wouldn't he avail those possibilities? And a little bit part of me, just stuck there. I would say 90% knows and 10% is just the thoughts, feelings. So 90% is
You love living in 10%, right? You'll give up the 90% for that 10%.
Yeah, that's what's happening nowadays.
You'll do that for what reason? You have entrained and ingrained yourself for choosing never for you, and whenever you do, it's supposed to be everybody.
Yeah. So that was what was coming to me when it's like since childhood we are made responsibility of younger brother, responsibility of this, responsibility of that. So that is what is pulling me down, being responsible for
Responsibility
something.
is the ability to respond. What is responsibility? Are you playing God, demigod?
Maybe.
What contribution can you be by moving? When I ask you this question, does it feel light?
I'll be honest.
So what, you'll be honest and reply what? Say what?
So it is not light.
Lower your barriers, talk and pod your point of views. This is why most of us fail at things we want to choose, because we have so many points of views about what's right, what's wrong, what responsibility. All these are lies that we keep telling ourselves. Whereas in reality, we know when we are apart, we are more close than we are when we are close. What is close?
Close. Yeah, it is closed.
Yeah. So what is close? How do you define close? When we move beyond the 10%, we contract. We are not in a comfortable zone. Access doesn't promise comfortable zone. If you want to expand your life, you need to be uncomfortable. So when you are uncomfortable, instead of making it wrong, what if you asked a question? What is this? Are these my points of views, or is this an expansion? Is it spacious or is it contracting me? When you ask what choice would create greater, what comes up? Choice of staying where I am or choice of staying far away?
Far away, obviously. Yes.
So, aren't you confusing and doubting yourself at the same time?
Yeah, I am.
Telling yourself that it's a responsibility, and and to tell you the truth, I feel having it here. Immediately you said moving out.
Yeah.
So what is that? So what is that? Get aware of that.
Yeah, so there are a lot of point of views here, yeah, which are not even mine, which are like coming. Yes, that is what the awareness is like, coming from my mom. Yeah. Thank you.
So what would create greater for me and for everybody around? No matter what. Can I have clarity, please? What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility can I be? Can me and my body be to have total clarity and ease in this? If you only run this question, you will get the awareness of what will work greater for you. But when we go into, oh, I would like to go out, but this, but that, we are, how much is yours?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. I actually forgot to do that. How much
Yeah.
is
Who does this all belong to? Because your movement is going to affect some people according to this reality. They cannot see beyond it. You can. You
Yeah.
got the tools.
Thank you, thank you, thank you
Please
so
choose
much.
what is spacious. Please choose what's lighter.
Yeah.
And ask questions. Don't make anything wrong. Ask questions. What would create greater?
Thank you. It's so very
Thank
light.
you for asking.
Thank you so much.
Love you. Grateful for you. Yes, guys, any more questions? When things start to happen in such a spacious level, there is no longer a density to it, that contraction to it. When you think of something and it's, aha, you start telling yourself, no, this is not right, that's right, that my mother, that my sister, that my brother, that not right. So go with that, aha, go with that lightness and ask a question. Thank you. Yes, Rajeshwari, you want to ask a question? Oh, Usha is here. Nobody's asking questions, Usha.
Hi. I would like to ask.
Yes, please go ahead.
Like a tragedy, no, not a tragedy. I mean, like, जैसे कि किसी ने आपको बोला था, like, oh, you are like this, like this, like this. It means, it is like a victimize, or you can say victim or abuse. Now, in this, my question is, if a person tells us like, it is because of you, what would our reaction be in that place, in that situation?
You tell me what was your reaction. What my reaction would be completely different than what you would choose. There is no one rule to rule out every rule. Your reaction will be what is true for you. What
That
you
time-
want to change.
Yeah, that time I just kept quiet and listened to that person. And in my heart, it was only pock and pot and interesting point of view that I was chanting. Like you can say it was chanting. And then what can I be and do different here? What is ease for me? What contribution is this person?
Instead of going to all that, is it mine? Somebody is saying something to you, giving it to you. If it's not yours, can you return it to it? If I give you a gift and you don't like it and you don't take it and you tell me, listen, I don't want it, whose gift is that?
Yeah, if I return it back.
Could you not become the effect of it? When you move beyond the 12%, 10%, you start creating a space.
I
where
mean,
nothing can affect you.
yeah, how to stop that conversation if that person is keep on talking like that, and then
Okay, you say something bad about me. Okay, come on, go ahead. Whatever that person said to you, say to me.
yeah, it's because of you I cannot do this, because of you I cannot move on, I cannot.
Oh my God, very good. I'm so powerful in your reality. Please don't do anything that I don't like. What is your reaction to this? Fuck you, I'm going to do it. What would your reaction be when I come out with this? Oh my God, I control you so much. I'm the one who's leading your life. Don't you dare lead your life. Do what exactly I want you to do. Then now what is your reaction, Usha? What is your reaction, guys? What would your reaction be here? Anybody?
So, yeah, I have a question here. Won't that, yes, this is the first reaction that a normal person would have, that yes, I would do. But in certain cases, it might agitate, bring out more from the other person. Then how to do?
So, you want to be a people pleaser? You want to make everybody happy? Or you want to be you?
Want to be ourselves, yes.
And
my
have fun in every situation.
Okay.
How much fun can you have? Oh my God, you look up to me and I'm controlling you so much. Come on, Kamal, how many people can I control? Then you give them a space to look at themselves, to look at where they are functioning from, to choose something that will work for them. But when you're retaliating, when you have a reaction to it, then there is only a reaction and from both sides, and you don't even see what's going on.
Yeah, amazing. Yes, making the
You
other
lose
person more powerful.
lose your
Yeah.
focus then. You go into what can I create here now? She is a bitch. Kamal is a bitch. I don't want to deal with her. Why should I be controlled by her? She's having fun with this. You quit and you choose something else. I would. When it moves to a space where it feels like nothing is happening, that's when everything starts to happen in your life.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Usha, did it help in any way?
Yeah, I mean, agar the opposition party is talking, and I was just listening as a good listener, no reaction, nothing. But in my heart, it was only pock and pot and bear is down, and all that. And then what is ease for me and all that, what tools I was, and then at last I said, okay, what else? What is next? What is next? Like that. So at times
Did it
also,
work? Did it work?
it works, but and then
Awesome. That was your way of working it. It worked. It a million different ways it can work. You can just sit there and not buy into it and listen. इस कान से सुना, उस कान से निकाल.
and then that person is telling, why are you not reacting? You're not saying yes.
There is nothing to react.
You are not saying yes. You are not telling no. And then you're just listening and then smiling and laughing. What is this? I said, baby,
I'm listening to the story. Oh my God, you got such a lovely story. I was so engrossed in listening to your story that I couldn't even see what's right and wrong.
Yeah, but the moment I'm telling, if I say yes, you will shout. If I say no, you will shout. So what should be my reaction? What would be my reaction?
Yeah.
I just said like that. And then the more he said, okay, I'm not going to talk to you. Okay, he hang up the phone.
Awesome. You gave him a space to see what happened. You showed him the mirror. Now you put a question in his head. What's happening with Usha? She's not the same person. She's not owning up. She's not reacting. She's not changing. She's just being herself. Haven't you put a question into everybody here in their minds also? That, oh my God, that could also be one way of saying, oh, just listen and have no reaction to it. There are a million ways we can work from. But now what's troubling you, my love? That is important. Now what's troubling you?
Okay. What can I create greater? in
For
my
you or for him?
both of us.
More for him than for you.
Yes.
Emotion is a fallback position to keep you from your awareness. We all go into emotion and we cut off our awareness. Emotion is the lower harmonic of being.
Is it emotion or feelings?
All three, thoughts, emotions, and feelings, are all lower harmonics, and they take you away from what else is possible. They take you away from what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? They take you away from perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving. They take you away from the information that you could have had. You're capable of much. You're capable of so much beyond. What are you capable of being that you have never chosen to be? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, honor, short, boys, and beyond. Do you have a freedom in this? Any kind of freedom in this choice while you were sitting there, while that person was talking, while the person banged the phone, when the person went, even after that for days, do you have freedom? Freedom to be who you truly be. You're making that person more important than you. You're validating that person's thoughts, feelings, and emotions, and going into your thought, feelings, and emotions, rather than perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving, oh my God, this is going to work or not. Bye-bye.
So if we would like to use that knowing, being, and perceiving and
So,
all that.
okay, I'll tell you. What do you know about him? What do you know about this situation? What happened in this situation? What are you aware of?
Yeah, I'm aware of that. That person is blaming me for that person has not achieved. The goal.
So he wants you to change.
Sorry?
He wants you to change.
The kind
Change, do exactly what he wants you to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
So
controlling.
that is the perception, and that is the knowing that you have got from this. Now, if you were being you, what would you choose? What can I do and be that I refuse to do and be, that if I would choose it, would they make this person turn you free, let you be free? Everything that is times of Godzillion, will you be willing to destroy and uncreate? And when you're going into these, you're defending or for or against. What if you didn't have to do that? What if you just had to choose what is light? Everywhere you are becoming a needy energy, it's going to create the same thing again and again. Who are you defending for? Who are you who or what are you defending for or against, that if you didn't defend for and against, it would give you freedom from whoever. If you were the most important person in life, if you were committed to yourself, what would you choose? Would you choose you, or would you choose to listen to that shit, and would you choose to live with that shit, and would you just want to correct that and want to make it contribute to that? And come on, life is short. What is one thing I could do and be that would make this person? Very funny thing is coming into my mind. Eliminate him or her from my reality. No, but that if you don't want that, then you can choose something else. But this is what came up. Any pattern we hold on to, we lock it in our body. We take a fixed point of view about anything, and we try to avoid that does not match that fixed point of view. And then we start creating those patterns, and we hold them in our body, and we become rigid. And then they start controlling us. We've lost our control. Then those point of views are now controlling us. You can do this, you can't do this, you shouldn't do this, all that. Wouldn't you want to be free of all that? And choose in this moment what's important. Okay, you had fun, fine. Somebody didn't have fun? Okay, what else is possible here? Live from that, not in your head. Question, possibility, choice. Functioning from awareness. You make anything relevant, you contract. You diminish yourself. Is that what you want to create in your life? You can't put anything right. You can't make anything wrong. You be you. You allow the other person to be themselves. You give them the space to be themselves. In this reality, we don't give space for people to be themselves. And we don't allow ourselves to be ourselves. And when you start to be space, you invite others to become that space.
That's so beautiful.
Thank you. We are never present in our life. We are always concluding. We are always trying to make the situation right. What if does the situation want to be right? Will this situation create something greater? What's right about this? I'm not getting. What did this situation create? And you will know lightness from the lightness of it. Never, ever, ever, never, 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 ever make yourself wrong. You know, with this POC and POD, we can change the entire past from the moment it started. But just saying everything that was, I destroy and annihilate. You become the energy of nothing is wrong. The other person perceives that energy in you and nothing, and then sees what it is. You put the question in the person's head. But when you are running that, you're running that tape in your head and you're making it right and wrong. And I should have said this, I shouldn't have said that. Oh, that way or that or that. The other person is perceiving that from you. Is it even yours? जो कुछ भी आपके दिमाग में चल रहा है ये क्या शायद उसके दिमाग में चल रहा. Can you just not have that, please? Can you choose you for yourself? He says, okay, what's right about this? I'm not getting. This thought, feeling, and emotion is functioning from lower harmonics. Perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving is functioning from receiving everything what came. Okay, this energy, like Manisha started the class with, this energy diverted to my bank. How much money can I have now? Please. Every energy that is contractive, please direct it to your banks, bank accounts, and see the amount of money you can create by that, rather than going in your head and wasting it. Hi, Mamta.
हेलो कमल जी.
कमल जी वाली बात नहीं समझ में आई, पर
क्यों
ठीक है.
कमल? जैसे हो जाता है मेरा मूड, जैसे मुंह से निकल आता है.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, no point of views.
No point of view, just I can enjoy.
Yeah. तो सुबह को मुझे ऐसा, I mean, निकल गया मुंह से. I'm not doing anything.
So what choices are you making, Usha, now? Are you going to run the tape in your head, or are you going to have fun today?
Yeah, have fun.
This is where things get interesting.
Yeah.
You become, when you stop functioning from lower harmonics, thoughts, feelings, and emotions, then you become the energy, space, and consciousness, which allows you to create anything, change anything. When it becomes a space of possibility. Because you are that space, you can have everything around you. If you want any change, be the space and step beyond. Because space cannot be limited even by this reality.
Any clearing for that? I mean, to be not in the lower harmonic.
कमल, आपने बोला be in the space. Can you expand a little?
1 minute, Mamta, I'll come to you.
Connected.
What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to be the space that will create ease in my life? To create a space beyond this space, step beyond, where limitations, but that has to be a choice. If you say where limitation don't exist, limitation will exist. They will keep existing because they're not even yours sometimes. You're picking up from everybody else. You're making it yours. They're not yours. An infinite being would be contracted or would choose all this for what reason? You are space, but you invite all the limitations and shit into your life. How do you know you are space? Because aren't you light? Aren't you fun? Aren't you having ease in your life when you're space, when you're choosing for you, when you're not diminishing you, when you're not making anybody important? So that's who you are. You make somebody else important, you diminish yourself. You made something, someone, some situation. You validate that, you fight for and against that. You have left, you're not in the equation anymore. You've cut off your awareness. Now that rules. Is it working for me? This is our innate ability to be space, have the energy of receiving, innate ability to have fun with each and every molecule, to dance in tune with the universe. We all receive from each other. The planet receives from the sun, the grass receives from the rain, the babies receive from nourishment from their mother. Where are we cutting off receiving from everywhere? Allow the energy of receiving to flow in, even if it is somebody blaming you for it. Okay, interesting point of view. You have that point of view. You don't even have to say to them. You can say it in your mind. If somebody, you only say what another person is willing to hear. Would you like to play with it? Start manifesting the life you are here to have. It is our very nature to create. What are we creating? What are we creating in our lives? Are we creating shit or are we creating magic? You are pure creators of consciousness, residing in the physical body. We would not.
Can I say something?
That for what reason? Yes, in 1 minute I have to go to Mamta. What does Mamta say? Space. Mamta, I think I answered that.
Yes. So this thing, yes. You got it, then you answered me. Yeah, wow. You
Thank
answered.
you. Yes, Manisha. Can I go to Manisha now? Okay, Manisha.
अभी आपने बोला ना, say what other person wants to hear. Say that only. I would like to ask a question about this. एक जहाज में
आप कहना चाहते हो, आप किसी को, हाँ, आप कुछ, sorry, go ahead.
यस, तो मेरे आजू बाजू वाले हैं वो काफी पूजा पाठ वाले हैं. अब मैं वो नहीं कह सकती उधर, मतलब आरती पे चलो, इधर चलो, प्रसाद. सेकंड
how can you manipulate? कोई कह रहा है वो उसकी है, आपको इससे क्यों ट्रबल हो रही है?
नहीं, मैं उधर अच्छे से नहीं जा पाती.
So you know you have done it before. You can manipulate it. वो मेरे को इधर काम है, मैं नहीं जा सकती. मैं मेरे घर जाने का मेरा बहुत दिल करता है, पर मैं नहीं जा सकती. मैं यहाँ फंस गई. Sorry.
एक जगह आज जाना है खाने पे, उधर डाइट का इतना चलता है और मैं सीख रही हूँ अभी कि आस्क योर बॉडी व्हाट डू यू वांट टू ईट, एंड जो अच्छा लगेगा वो खाओ. और उधर तो डाइट ये मत खाओ, तो आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल गोइंग एनीवेयर. सो व्हाट क्वेश्चन शुड आई आस्क हियर?
अच्छा, आप अपने आप को उस बॉक्स में डालना चाहते, जो बॉक्स में वो सब है. अगर आप, मेरे को लोग देखते हैं ना, कहते हैं ये पता नहीं इतनी हो गई है, इसको बूढ़ी हो गई है, ये फिर भी सब कुछ, परांठे भी छकती है, ये भी छकती है, ये 4 चीजें ये करती है. Can you direct that into your bank account and eat whatever you want to? You will kill 2 birds with 1 stone. You will have money in your bank and you will put a question in their head. Can you invite them to that? Can you bring change like that? What are you fear? What are you afraid of? Being yourself? आप पहले म्यूट करो, अब अनम्यूट करो.
Sorry. I'm not afraid of being myself. I've got a lot of energy from you and from my class, book reading club of yours. And now I'm changing. I was asking for change. Universe gave me the change, and I'm not at all afraid of this change now.
तो फिर go
But
forward.
कहाँ जाऊँ?
Go forward.
कहाँ जाऊँ ये मुझे बहुत सताता है. इधर जाऊँ ये है,
तो
उधर
फिर ये
जाऊँ वो
कैसे सता सकता है? अगर चेंज है और मांगा है चेंज, तो ये कैसे सता सकता है? आपको कुछ नहीं सता सकता.
Okay.
These
Yes.
are all your inventions, your drama trauma.
Okay, thank you.
अब कोई नई चीज आई है जो आपने पहले कभी नहीं करी. अब यहाँ क्या मैं मजा ले सकती हूँ?
हाँ.
अब यहाँ क्या मैं कर सकती हूँ?
Yes.
Every judgment I can create, and I can divert the attention to my bank, and everything else I will do for myself, and can change question and put question in people's head. Wow.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. I was so much bothered.
The future changes with every choice you make.
Yes.
Please do not solidify your choices.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good
for
morning,
asking
ma'am.
that.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Galaxy M31.
Yeah, ma'am.
हाँ जी, बताइए.
Ma'am, whenever I ask question to universe, I always get a response from universe. Sometimes instantly and sometimes little late. But ma'am, I'm in a situation where I'm not getting the answer since few days. Like my husband is not talking to me since 10 to 12 days. So I am asking the question, what is this? What can I do with this? Can I change this? How can I change this? Yeah, what energy can I be to change this person? Or what fun can I have get in this fight? I have asked few questions, but I am not getting the awareness. And it has
अच्छा, एक मिनट. आपने अपने आप को, प्लीज हियर व्हाट यू से. पहले आपने बोला मुझे सब कुछ मिल रहा है, जब मैं पूछती हूँ मुझे सब आंसर मिल रहा है. बट जब आपने बट यूज किया, उसका मतलब है कि ये जो पहला मैंने जो कुछ कहा है वो बकवास है, वो झूठ है, वो तो होता नहीं है. बट ये हो रहा है. Please watch yourself. When you acknowledge something, be grateful for it. There is no but after that. One thing. Second, I would like to say is that you said, अब कुछ नहीं हो रहा, तथास्तु नहीं होगा. आपने पहले कहा कि कभी जल्दी कभी बाद में मेरे को आंसर मिल जाता है. If that is your point of view, you can create anything now or later. But if you put but in it and you say ab nahi ho raha, that is the energy that you are being at the moment, and that is the energy that the universe is getting, and that is the energy that will keep repeating itself. Be in the energy of, I ask, can I get? How does it get any better than this? Can I have that here, please? And give universe a free hand to choose. You just ask one question. After that you said, मैं जो कुछ भी करती हूँ, question पूछती हूँ, हो नहीं रहा. See the energy of that, and see the energy of कि मैं जो कुछ पूछती हूँ हो जाता है, अभी जल्दी जवाब दें. So be the first energy and only ask question, and forget about the question. You ask the question, universe has to rearrange some things to bring it to you. You start living your life. You said a question, आपने काम लगा दिया है. आप किसी को काम किचन में काम कह के आते हो कि तुम ये बना दो, ये चीजें बना दो, आप बोल देते हो अपने किचन में किसी को, तो खुद जाते हो बनाने के लिए. और अगर आप बना रहे हो और कोई किचन में 2-2 मिनट के बाद आ रहा है आपको कहने के लिए, ऐसे क्यों नहीं किया, इसको ऐसे करना चाहिए था, हुआ ही नहीं अभी तक तुम्हारे से, ये नहीं हुआ, तो आपका काम करने को दिल करेगा.
बट मैम ऐसे सिचुएशन में पेशेंट कैसे रहा जाए? कैन यू प्लीज?
It's just a choice. It's just a choice. Did you create this? Did you create this situation? Truth.
No.
How did this fight happen that you were talking about? Who created the fight? चुप कैसे हुए? Do you want to be vulnerable? Do you want to share here कि क्या बात हुई जिससे आपकी लड़ाई?
He created the fight. Actually, my mother gifted a cycle to my son on his birthday. So he said, why didn't you ask me after मीन्स उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि अगर आपकी मदर ने मेरे बेटे को गिफ्ट दिया है तो आपने मुझे शेयर क्यों नहीं किया, पूछा क्यों नहीं कि तुम अपने मायके से कैसे गिफ्ट्स लाके मेरे बेटे को दे सकती हो.
तो आपने क्या कहा?
मैंने कहा वो उसकी नानी का डिसीजन था, मेरा डिसीजन नहीं था. इफ शी इज गिविंग हिम सो व्हाई शुड आई स्टॉप हर. तो ही
Then?
सेड नो, अगर कोई भी चीज नानी घर से आएगी तो मेरे से बिना पूछे नहीं आएगी.
तो आपने क्या कहा?
मैंने कहा मैं अपने बेटे के लिए ये चीज का कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं कर सकती, आएगी जरूरी नहीं है, उसकी जो जरूरत है अगर आप पूरी नहीं कर सकते हो तो नानी पूरी करेगी.
अब आपको कोई ऐसे कहता जो आपने कहा, आपका क्या रिएक्शन होता?
हाँ ठीक है, मैं एबल नहीं हूँ तो इट्स ओके, एज यू विश. आपको जिसमें ठीक लगे. मैं किसी को रोकती नहीं हूँ किसी काम के लिए.
अच्छा, 1 minute. Is it you are not same as your husband? So what would he like to hear? What would he have liked to hear at that time? आपको बुरा लगा, आपको ठेस पहुंची. I am so sorry. I will tell my mother to ask you first.
नहीं मैम, मैं मना नहीं कर सकती अपनी मदर को, क्योंकि मैं मेरे बेटे को साइकिल चाहिए थी और उसके फादर उसे नहीं ले दे रहे थे. तो
So you are making this more important than your relationship with your husband. Is it more important? 1 minute. Yes or no? Is it more important for you to give your son what he requires rather than have peace with your husband?
No.
So how could you manipulate it? You could have the cycle also, and you could. Anybody here can answer that, please?
But ma'am, I can't see my child unhappy or sad.
Interesting point
You can see yourself and your husband sad.
Sorry.
You can't see your son sad, but you can see you and your husband sad.
No, both things are, ma'am, equally important for me. One side is my son.
So
and
what can
other
you
side
say? You're not listening, my love. What can you say that he was willing to hear and you could have him and the cycle too? Is that possible? Guys, here, everybody here, we are 20 of us. Is that possible to have the cycle and have the relationship not disturbed between you and your husband? Anybody can answer that here, please?
Be an interesting point of view first.
Okay.
And
Thank you. Anybody else?
Wider the space, and then after you be interesting point of view, wider your space, and then you ask that for question, what is this? But I mean, in breathing also required a little bit of breathing.
I know, stop breathing. Don't stop breathing.
I mean, relax. The more you are at ease, barriers down. That is the main one. Barriers down, interesting point of view, be your space, then you can.
So anybody else who can answer that?
Yeah, she
What
could
is
have
it?
discussed with her husband कि मम्मी कुछ gift देना चाहती हैं, so give 2-3 choices ये, and then she could very softly bring in कि cycle चाहिए, cycle ही ले ले. तो उसमें उनका consent भी हो जाता और बुरा भी नहीं लगता. That is my point.
So is that manipulation?
Yeah, big time.
Is manipulation wrong?
No.
To get what you want, to get what works for you, can you choose a few words here and there? Just to have peace?
उसको पता नहीं हो कि उसका husband react करेगा.
इसको ऐसे हो सकता है? ऐसे हो सकता है क्या? You've been married for how long? She has a child who
12
can ride a
years.
cycle. So she knows her husband's ego.
I would have asked what is right about this.
Yeah.
I'm
I
not
would have-
getting.
I would
What
have
is
said-
right about me? I'm not getting, because in my case there used to be a fight between my daughter and my husband. बहुत उनके चलता था एक दूसरे के बीच में, लेकिन मैं भी डिस्टर्ब होती थी। लेकिन जब से छोड़ दिया है ना कि ये अपनी अपनी जर्नी है, अपने अपने सब इन्फिनिट बीइंग है, सब निपटा लेंगे, तो आई एम एट पीस रियली। नहीं तो मुझे भी ऐसा था कि डॉटर चाहिए, हस्बैंड चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए। अब मुझे मैं चाहिए बस। व्हाट इज राइट अबाउट
और
दिस
फिर
आई एम
सब
नॉट
कुछ मिल
गेटिंग।
जाता है, और फिर सब कुछ मिल जाता है। So
Really.
I hope we could answer your question. Now what you can do is you can say, I was thinking, I mean that I would do that if it feels like to you, oh ये मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता, हमारा जो सिचुएशन है, मेरे को समझ में आ गया है कि आपको नहीं अच्छा लगता, आगे से हम पूछ लेंगे, sorry for this now. Are you willing to do that? Or you also have a strong ego? I feel ego जो होती है ना, ये husband wife के relationship में ego doesn't work. Manipulation does.
फिर men superior हो गया. I mean, every time sorry, I will do that. Next time discuss कर लेंगे.
Man superior हो गया.
इधर तो superior ही हो गया नहीं, तो हम तो है ही नहीं. We are just
अच्छा, और
asking them.
everybody else here feels कि if you manipulate and if you say sorry to a man, then वो बड़ा हो
नहीं,
गया.
sorry sometimes is okay, but this
Yeah,
was the बेचारी को एक mother ने gift किया. I mean, I feel it's not.
अच्छा, हाँ बताइए, क्या आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Sometimes, ma'am, it is okay. Not every time. I expect that one time he says sorry to me from 10 times. But
Okay.
he never says sorry 10 times, 20 times, 100 times. He never says sorry to me. If it is his fault, then also. So every time I can't be inferior, no?
Good. Okay, cool. If it's working like that for you, no problem. But why is it troubling you?
Sorry.
What is troubling you here? You got
He
your
is not
point of view.
talking to me.
You
Even
got
if-
your
if-
point
if-
of view. You got the cycle, what you wanted. So what is it that now is troubling you?
He is not talking to me. Situation, atmosphere of home is not so good. I'm not feeling lively or like feeling alone, like he's not talking to me or
One tool is there, no?
So one minute, Usha. So on one side, you want to say, I'm not making anything wrong. I'm just what's coming in my head, I'm saying it. On one side, you want him to say sorry sometimes. And you feel that you have always said sorry.
Mm.
And now you will not. Okay?
Mm.
So you got what you wanted. You got what you asked for. You are trying to create a possible future, not a probable future. अब ये possible तो है ही नहीं that he will say sorry to you. You keep living all your life. When you create a probable future, you always have to go back to the past for reference. To create something perfect now. Is that possible?
Well, recording
So-
change करिए.
So
Recording
an
change.
unpredictable. Okay.
9, 10.
Oh my God.